Actually, we didn't. I'm Yuletta, and this is B's cousin, Brittany. And I'm actually U's cousin. And we're just their replacements. Well, do you know what happened to you and B? They're actually at my house with his brother, U's brother, and also their friends because they're having a sleepover at I's house with O, W, A, B, Clone, and Sue. Sir, I'm so sorry that we do not have no footages or photographic memories because both of us don't have no footages. I'm so sorry.